Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Government raises concerns over attacks on India in South Africa as violence spread in country. India has taken up the matter of safety and security of Indians or people of our Indian origin in South Africa in wake of the violence that the country is witnessing over the arrest of former President Jacob Zuma on corruption changes. Concerned over the safety of Indian expats amid riots, External Affairs Minister EAM Dr. Jaishankar spoke to his South America spoke to his South African counterpart Dr. Naledi Pandor on Wednesday. The South African side has assumed that its government is doing utmost to enforce law and order and asserted that early restoration of normalcy and peace was its overriding priority. Appreciate the conversation with South African Foreign Minister Naledi Pandor today. She assured that her government was doing utmost to enforce law and order. Early restoration of normalcy and peace was overriding priority, Jaishankar said in a tweet on Wednesday. The emphasis that the ongoing events were criminal in nature and not political or racially motivated. Businesses, shops, and houses are being burned, petrol bombs are being thrown, fires are being set to businesses, cars, and houses. We cannot do anything. We are outnumbered. Our brave men, women, children, security companies, and SAP are doing their best. Also, remember our SAP are not mandated to shoot to kill. They have rubber bullets, so their lives at risk as well, said an eyewitness. Regarding reports of arson and looting against Indians and Indian origin, South Africans, the South African side convened the opportunistic elements were taking advantage of the situation to engage the looting and violence, as highlighted by the President Ramaphosa in his address to the nation on July 12, said the source. Stepsons use leaves of 65-year-old Jharkhand man with rope, ties him to rail track. A 65-year-old man was rescued by the Jharkhand police after he was found by the villagers tied to a railway track with his leaves severed. Together with a rope, the elderly man accused his stepson of sewing his leaves and tying him up to a railway track near Sikh City cabin. The shocking incident took place at Vitehara village in Untari Road block of Palam district on Wednesday. Bolaram 65 told police that he had gone to the toilet late Tuesday night when his stepson along with two others caught him and beat him up. He said after thrashing him, the three men stitched his sleeves with a rope, tied his hands and legs and took him to a nearby railway track. Then they tied him to railway sleepers. Around 11 p.m. Bolaram said he was tied onto a railway track while the others slept. It was early in the morning when villagers saw a man tied up to the track. They immediately informed the police. Police meanwhile said actions will be taken against the accused. The case is under investigation. India cricketer test positive for COVID-19. Players were told not to go to Wimbledon and Europe. A player of the Indian cricket team in England has tested positive for COVID-19 virus. The player who tested positive will not be travelling to Durham, where the Indian team is scheduled to assemble on Thursday afternoon and prepare for a three-day warm-up game against a country championship 11 team from July. Indian cricketers were on 3-week break post of the World Test Championship final loss against New Zealand. Jai Shah had warned the cricketers to not to go out as the Delta variant was rampant. Players were spotted at Wimbledon Euro. In his letter, Jai Shah had also asked the players to not to go out because vaccination does not provide immunity. The development forced an overhaul of the England ODI squad with Ben Stokes being appointed the captain of team. A second-string England team swept Pakistan 3-0 in the ODI series, but the question of how the virus breached the bubble was left unanswered. In his statement, the ACB Chief Executive Tom Harrison mentioned the Delta variant of the virus without revealing it. The squad members were affected by it. We have been mindful that the emergence of the Delta variant, along with our move away from the stringent enforcement of biosecure environments, could increase the chances of an outbreak. Malik movie review. Fahad Fasil is simply brilliant in this Amazon Prime film. Set in the fictional fishing village of Ramadapalli, Kerala between 1965 and 2018, Malik tells the tale of Malik Sulaiman, who is Messiah for the fish folk of the village. The film begins with the Sulaiman Akka Ali Ikka in his 50s set to take a pilgrimage to Hajj after announcing illegal activities. He is leaving behind the life of crime that he has lived, but always with a strong moral center. I have quite all ungodly work, so who should I fear now? If someone above him is waiting to kill me, let it happen, he says, giving us a glimpse into his powerful yet flawed character, and also setting the pace for what's in the store of the audience. At the airport departing for Hajj, Sulaiman is arrested by the police under the Terrorist and Disruptive Activities Prevention Act (TADA). And as the story unfolds from there, we know of Sulaiman's story. Slowly, each and every character comes into play. We meet Sulaiman's mother, who takes us through Sulaiman's childhood and how he developed the town that is Ramadapalli. Though she wants her son to be punished for his deeds, she wants the law to take its natural course. Cinematographer Sanu John Verghese and editor Mahesh Narayanan show the coastal belt and the life of Fisher Float beautifully, and we would have loved to see the film on the big screen. So Shyam background score creates the right atmosphere. The song Thirame, which plays as the lead actors get married, will stay on other leaves for some time. Malik makes the audience really think, which doesn't happen a lot with films these days. It makes you ponder over the political scenario in the country and question everything you think you knew. While the film can have different interpretations of different people, everyone can relate to Sulaiman's character, who does what best for his people. Isn't that what we all do when it comes to our family? 4 out of 5 star for Malik.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.